Hey guys, on this episode I'll be taking you through the process of planting garlic in containers. So I'll be reworking my soil and probably getting a dump truck full here, and so I need to keep my ground clear, so I'm going to be planting my garlic today, which is the end of November. So I've got these two wooden boxes here which are currently full of junk. I'm going to be filling these full of soil and then putting the sprouted garlic, which I did in the previous video, in these boxes. Alright, so we're ready to plant the garlic now. We've got all my sprouted garlic here. You can see a lot of them are quite long. Some of them are not as long, but definitely an awesome root system. And time to put all these in the ground and see what happens. Well, that's it. Now I've got about 20 garlic planted in my planters, and now it's a matter of waiting until next summer to see if this works. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Until next one, have a great day.